English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1. Proposition, statistical, transformation. Proposition. Proposition is a noun. C1 learners usually know proposition. A proposition is an idea or suggestion. Here are some examples. I do not accept the proposition involved. Even then, it's not the easiest proposition to grasp. There is little empirical evidence for this proposition. Statistical. Statistical is an adjective. C1 learners usually know statistical. Statistical relates to the use of statistics. Here are some examples. He made a statistical comparison between the two results. It was in her earlier job that she became interested in statistical work. We can now use the statistical arguments of the last section in each individual row. Transformation. Transformation is a noun. C1 learners usually know transformation. A transformation is a complete change in the form or shape of something. Here are some examples. Having lost half of her body weight, the transformation was clear. The old-fashioned shop underwent a radical transformation. He made notes on the transformation from larva to pupa and then to butterfly. Now write some of your own sentences with proposition, statistical and transformation. Download the free C1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.